Welcome to my unboxing or unbagging of some items I recently picked up from Dollar Tree. Let's do a little quick haul and see what I got. First up, we got ourselves a calendar. All right, we got 12 months of the year so that I can sort of get my life together as much as I possibly can, because as soon as you make plans, things go crazy and then your calendar is a hot mess. But anyway, this is a 12-month calendar. I got the one with the mountains because I love nice scenery and greenery, and that's from Dollar Tree. Okay, also from Dollar Tree, I got some snacks. We got Brims, white cheddar popcorn for a nice quiet movie night while I'm off work during Christmas break. I also got these Brims onion flavored rings. If you like Funyuns, you will love these. They're actually not as, I don't know, Funyuns has a very distinct flavor. These are more like your traditional onion rings, but they're really good. They're actually very flavorful. They're not bland. You're not gonna get a bad chip in that. Also for movie night, we got some Twix, little minis, or fun size rather. And these were actually $5. They were $5 at Dollar Tree, but you get a good, healthy amount in there. I paid $5 to a kid selling like a 4-pack on the street corner. So paying $5 for a full bag, it's not that bad. Also for movie night, we got some turtles because I just love turtles. So no jujubes or chocolate covered raisins for me. I got these. By the way, pardon my nails, y'all. I wash my hands a lot. They don't last long. It's a hot mess right now, but I'm gonna get them redone for the holiday. Okay, something for the apartment. We got these lip brushes because I do a lot of fashion and I want my clothes to be lint free. Also from Dollar Tree, we got some slider storage bags, quart size, because I am out. I also picked up this sort of like a little soup cup, but you can store any hot beverage or food in there. I had a pink one at my old place, but we had to toss it during the move, so I'm replacing it with this one. Okay, also picked up some cotton rounds for $1.25 because I'm out. They're just as good as anything you would get more expensively at another beauty supply store or something. So yeah, got those. And then I found this LA Colors lip kit. It's a dual lip liner where you get like the sunset, or what do they call it? Yeah, I think they call it sunset lip design. And I wanted to try that and see if the red is as good as Fenty or some of my other favorite red lipsticks, and see how that fares for me. You can never have too many choices for a good red lipstick. I also got some of this Ioni tinted lip oil. It's sort of in like a plum shade, and I'm guessing they had a lot of these because I don't think that color probably goes with a lot of skin tones, but it should work for mine. I'm gonna test it out and I'll let you guys know what I think. Next up, we got some kitchen shears because I lost my other ones in the move. When you're moving, at one point at the deadline, you're like, either it's coming or it's going in the trash, right? And so a lot of stuff at the very, very end went in the trash. So this is, I'm sort of replacing a lot of things that I lost. So these are some kitchen shears, heavier weight. These are different from anything I've seen in Dollar Tree before because it has this sort of groovy thing. Is that like a bottle opener? It might be, I'm not sure. It says it's stainless steel, but yeah, we got those. I got this foot scrubber because again, lost it. Actually, I didn't lose that in the move. I tossed the old one that I had because I knew I would replace one when I moved, and so this will be great for the new year. I got some of these removable hooks because you can never have too many of these. I want to put some lights on my balcony at the last minute. We'll see if we can get that done before Christmas because I can't find the lights. Everybody seems to be sold out of lights except for Home Depot, who is selling them for like 10 bucks. And I'm like, I know I can get them cheaper than $10 somewhere else. But in case I don't, I may end up picking up the Home Depot lights. But I got these just in case so that I can hook them on the balcony. Got another pair of those. Also for the apartment, we got some Lysol fresh scent toilet bowl cleanser cleaning thingamajiggamabobs. These are really good. They do make the toilet, you know, the bathroom smell nice and fresh every time you flush. I had these before. They do work very well. So we got one of those for one bathroom and we got a second one for the other one. Alright. Also, we picked up an OxiClean mini pen just for the sake of, you know, when I'm on trips and, you know, you have an accident or whatnot. I probably should keep that in the car for those little accidents that happen when you're out and about and can't get to a washing machine, or, you know, a dab of soap and water just doesn't work. You need a little something extra. I found that at Dollar Tree. I'm not sure I've seen it before, so I decided to pick one up. Now, I love Dove lotion. I have the one in the blue and white tin. I believe it's like extra nourishment or something like that. I saw this one, the beauty cream in the pink tin, and I just wanted to try it. It smells really good. I did take a whiff, opened one already and took a whiff of it. It smells really good. So we're gonna experiment and see if I get the same feel. I'm sure I will. Dove is pretty good with lotion, giving you quality hydration, but I'm gonna try that out and see how it goes with my body chemistry. If it still smells good on me as it does in the tin. Got two of those. I got some more hair ties. I love these because they are just straight. It's not elastic that's gonna pull at your hair. There's no plastic seams that also will rip out your hair. They're just straight like stocking material all the way around. I love these. They were back in stock in the store that I went to, and so I had to get some of those. Also replacing something that I lost in my other place when I moved is this cake decoration kit. I use these sometimes for cupcakes or by making cookies. I may do some Christmas cookies. I don't know yet. If, you know, depends on how my mood is as we get closer to the day. But for now, I am feeling ambitious, so I got a kit. I also picked up this washer from Dollar Tree. I don't think I've seen these there before. I may have, I just didn't pay attention, but this is something I wanted to just try out. It looks interesting. It's not very thick. I think some of the washes that I've seen from other places are a little bit thicker than this. I'm not sure. I'm not a gua sha expert, but it's something I wanted to try, and it was only $1.25, so why not? Also, while I'm on my little break from work for the holidays, I picked up a couple of masks for like those little self-care days when I just want to treat myself. This is a gel cream mask from Freeman. It's hydrating, glacier water, and pink peony. Looks like it probably smell really good. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't really read the fine print on what it's supposed to do for me, but I think it says anti-pollution. So yeah, it's just a little skin treat. And I also picked up this Freeman Soothing Gel Mask. also for a little self-care treat. Some more items from the Dollar Tree is I pick up these gloves. I love these. The blue, again, pardon my nails, I am so sorry. Blue is for bathroom. Yellow is for the kitchen. It was time to get some more of those. I also picked up these dehumidifier kits. I usually pick them up from like a 6-pack from Amazon for like $20, but they had them in Dollar Tree for like $1 each, which means $1.25 each, which means I could have gotten, you know, a 6-pack for way less than 20 bucks. But yeah, these are, I'm gonna try them out. I think they were $1.25. I am not certain, but yeah, I'm gonna try these because one of my closets is really close to the bathroom that I use most frequently, and I'm a little bit concerned about the moisture coming from that shower, because your girl loves a hot shower coming from there and potentially having a mildew issue in that closet. So I got some of those. I'm gonna try those out and see if they actually work. I know the ones from Amazon do, so I would imagine they work exactly the same. At least that's my hope. Also for the bathrooms, we got some tissue, some Scotties Triple Soft Aloe tissue for each bathroom, and they're in green because that's sort of my theme. And yeah, we got some of those. No fuss, no muss. And lastly, from Dollar Tree, we got some Arm & Hammer baking soda, one for the fridge, one for the freezer, just because, you know, it keeps things nice and fresh in there and absorbs any food smells or odors or what have you. So that's my Dollar Tree haul. Those are some of the things I picked up from Dollar Tree, and some things that I needed, some experimental items. But yeah, that's what I recently picked up from Dollar Tree.